In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Valorant black screen on launch in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, open File Explorer and go to C drive. Then double click on Riot Games. Now here double click on Valorant. Then double click on Live. Now double click on Shooter Game. Then double click on Binaries and then double click on Win64. Here you have to find Valorant. So just scroll down and right click on Valorant. Then click on Properties. Now go to Compatibility tab. Here make sure run this program as an administrator is unchecked. If it is checked, then uncheck it and click on Apply and then click on OK and close this window. Now from desktop, click on Search and type Services and open it. Now here you have to find VGC. So just scroll down and right click on VGC. Here in Startup type, select Automatic. Then in Service Status, click on Start. Then click on Apply and then click on OK. So that's how you can fix Valorant black screen on launch in just few easy steps.